Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And it's so good that you clicked on this video because we're going to be doing another project pan, my rolling project pan for 2022 update. This is my second update, so if you guys missed my other videos, I will link those below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. So once again, I have all of my project pan items in my little milk bag, which has been perfect because I can see through it. I leave this sitting out so I can see it every day and try to use the products as much as possible. Really quickly, I wanted to mention, if you want to know the look that I'm wearing right now, I did a super glam purpley look for my birthday, kind of like a birthday chit chat get ready with me. So definitely check that video out. If it is already up, I'll link it down below as well. If you are new here, make sure to check out my other videos because I went more in depth with what I was wanting to do this year. I picked only 6 items to keep it very condensed and not overwhelming because this is just what works for me. And again, you can do your project pan however you want to. And I am doing a rolling project pan, so if I do finish an item, I'm going to roll in another beauty product. And I really don't think it has to just be makeup, so maybe I'll start adding in other things once we continue going along. But so far, I believe this video is going up in April, so it's been quite a while since my last update, not too long. I'm trying to do at least an update once a month if possible, or every couple of months. Without further ado, let me unzip my bag and show you guys all of my products here. So I'm so happy to announce that I finished not 1, not 2, but 3 items, you guys. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. So the first item I finished is the e.l.f. High Definition Under Eye Setting Powder. I didn't have that much left in here, and I did mark it off twice actually. I probably could have marked it off again, but I was just using this consistently and it's completely gone. And I do appreciate that e.l.f., you know, you can remove the sifter, so I pulled the sifter out, girlfriend, and I was just using this all over. Even though I really don't like using setting powder like all over my skin, it can be a little too drying. But I have to say, I think there's other powders that I like more than this one, so this was pretty easy to just finish up. And I think e.l.f. did discontinue this product. I was obsessed for so many years. You guys look back at my old videos talking about e.l.f. cosmetics, and it was good. But see, I'm older now. I'm 35 and my skin has changed. You know, your skin is not going to stay as young and easy to work with as, you know, you're in your 30s, 40s, and so on. So definitely have changed my opinion about this product. It's okay. You can't get it anymore. So it's not something I'm going to repurchase. And the product I'm going to be rolling in to replace that powder, I decided to go with another powder, and this one is just falling apart. It is just really beat up and really gross. I'm sorry. But yeah, it's broken. So this is the AOA Studio Perfect powder, finishing press powder in translucent, and I actually have gone through a couple of these. This is a really great powder, and I do have quite a bit here, but I've already hit pan. So this is where we are starting out with this product. Hopefully you can see it is bright white, but I don't find that this leaves a white cast on my skin, and it's super finely milled. Like, it really is nice. Like, once you blend it out onto the skin, it kind of smooths and blurs and sets. It's just a really nice powder. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy that I finished 3 products. Alright, so that's the product I'm rolling in to replace the e.l.f. one. Alright, the second product I finished is the eyeliner. So this is from Flower Beauty in the shade Bronzed Out, and I finished it completely. I really love these eyeliners, and if you guys watched my 3 looks 1 palette using the palette in my Pan That Palette challenge, which is the ABH Subculture palette, definitely check out my videos featuring this. That video was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun as well, and you guys seem to like it, so check that video out. I used this eyeliner in that video and finished it. I actually really liked using this as a base, and that's how I really got through this really fast. I used it all over the eyelid as like a base, like a cream eyeshadow, and it worked perfectly for that. So I'm so happy that I'm done with this product. And the one I'm going to roll in is another Flower Beauty eyeliner, because I told you guys in my introduction video that I wanted to use these up because I think they've been discontinued. I do, however, really like their forever wear liners, which I do have a couple of those, and these are more of a matte finish. These have more glitter in them. So here's how much product I have with this liner. Lots of product there, so I definitely will get some use out of this. And this is in the shade Serpant. It's a beautiful green. Let me go ahead and swatch it. It's a beautiful, beautiful green. And there is like this really pretty, like almost golden shimmer. Oh, it's just one of my favorites. And so my thinking behind picking this one for sure is not only do I want to finish these liners up before they expire because they have been discontinued, I really enjoy using them. Like, they really are amazing quality. You can do so much with these liners. And I was thinking I could use it with the green eyeshadows in my Pan That Palette challenge to kind of get use and coordinate the colors together, you know? So I'm using kind of all of the things because I do keep that in mind since I am doing a Pan That Palette this year. Isn't that lovely though? I mean, that color is beautiful. So that is what I'm rolling in to replace Bronzed Out. All right, and the final product I finished is the e.l.f. lip gloss. This is the plumping lip gloss in the shade Pink Cosmo. Now, I actually am glad I put this on my project pan because I figured out that I really don't like these anymore. I find them to be really sticky. They do have that plumping, kind of like tingling, burning sensation when you first put them on. They do smell really good. I was obsessed with these for so long, but I actually have decluttered the other ones out of my collection. They were really old and smelled a little off. A little tip for this lip gloss, you can remove the stopper. So luckily I remembered to do that. So I pulled that plastic stopper out and I was able to get in there and really scrape the inside. So it is completely gone. It is empty. Gone. Bye-bye. I'm very happy to finish this product up, and it's not something I would repurchase, honestly. I think there's other amazing formulas out there from the drugstore, so yay, finished a lip gloss. Yeah. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited. So the product I'm going to be rolling in to replace that e.l.f. lip gloss is this glitter eyeshadow duo. This is from e.l.f. It was a collaboration with Jkissa. You guys remember this collection? I did a review when it came out and it was a really fun collection. And so this is called the Tasuki To My Heart. And we've got What a Pity Smile. It's just this white glittery color here. And then I'm Upset, which is a really pretty sparkly green. Now this one's going to be really difficult to show my progress. I know some of you commented saying that I should weigh the item, but I have to buy a scale and it just seems a little too tedious for me. I don't know how I feel about that. I'll have to really think about it if I want to invest money into doing that. So on one side we have this really pretty shimmery, it's kind of like got a clear base with lots of white sparkle. And you open it up and it has a flat doe foot applicator. And I just thought this is something I would like to get some use out of. It's probably already expired, but I think it's still in good condition. All right, so here we have that really pretty, it's almost like a golden green, and then that sparkly clear one there. So you see all of those kind of go together, and then that's the eyeliner. I definitely think I will get some good use out of this product, and I just thought, you know, it's something that's just sitting in a drawer, not being used, and it is a limited edition. Unfortunately, you can't get your hands on this anymore, so I just want to use it up. So that is what I'm rolling in. That was a long explanation, Jess. Wow. All right, so my lip liner from BH Cosmetics, here's what I have left. Just a very tiny nub. So yeah, this is almost gone. I've just been using this underneath everything, just outlining my lips, filling it in, and I really do like this lip liner. This is in the shade Earth from BH, and again, I know you can't get the BH products anymore, but who knows, maybe Make It Revolution will relaunch these because they were phenomenal. So good. Little update on that. I'm hoping, my goal is to definitely finish this, if not completely, by my next update. So we'll see how we do on that. All right, and then the Mary Luminizer. She has definitely been my go-to lately. I've been using her hardcore, as a eyeshadow, as a highlighter, and it's definitely a hard one to use up because it is so intense. Like, this definitely packs a punch. So hopefully you guys can see. I think I've made a little bit of progress with this one. I think this one's going to be definitely slow and steady wins the race. Good amount of pan there. I'm still working hard on her, and hopefully there's a little bit of a difference. I'm going to pop up some photos and hopefully you can see. You know, it's hard to kind of, you know, when you see the photos side by side, you kind of get a better idea. So hopefully that'll be helpful for you. So still working hard on that one. That one is definitely very challenging. All right, last but not least, I have the Lauren Conrad lip and cheek tint in Peony. Let's open her and see. Now, I've been using this almost every single day. It's like an everyday lip balm. You can use it on the lips, you can use it on the cheeks, and that is the intention with this product. So as you can tell, I have hit pan. Yay! I've just been kind of focusing on the center so you guys can see some progress there. Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy. There is a lot of product still left in this, and I just really love this product. I'm really sad that Lauren Conrad Beauty, I don't know what's going on. I feel like, I don't know if her brand went bankrupt, but they just kind of vanished off the face of the earth. So I don't know if these are going to be coming back. I really enjoyed the product itself. It was really good, and I still enjoy it. So I'm going to be sad once this is gone, but slowly but surely, I think I'm doing pretty darn good. I finally hit pan. This is the first time I've hit pan on this cream product, so yay! So that's everything, you guys, for my project pan for 2022. My second update so far. Make sure to check out the description box if you guys want to check out the other videos that I've done in this series, and make sure you watch my Pan That Palette videos as well. I'll definitely create some playlist in the description box, so check it out. I'm just so happy. I finished 3 products. I feel so excited to keep going and keep doing this project pan. Let me know in the comment section down below how you're doing with your project pan this year. I want to know. Let's chat it up, and let me know if you guys would like me to do a get ready with me, or a tutorial showing you guys some tips and tricks on how I like to use and incorporate all of my project pan products into my everyday look. Let me know down below, and I can definitely do that. I have been thinking about doing a video like that just to get more use out of my products and kind of show you how I've been using them. So let me know if you'd like to see that. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new, and join the little Smarter Beauty fam here on YouTube. And if you are not following me already, go follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. All my links are down below as usual, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!